Hello guys, my name is Kishan and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a domain with unlimited storage. Okay, I mean free hosting. So the first thing which we're gonna need is a GitHub account. So let's just set it up. Go to the github.com. If you are already familiar with GitHub, you don't need to do anything for creating the account, but if you don't have any account, just create it. Okay, in the sign up section you can just create it like that. So let's just first of all put, yeah, what happened, wait a minute, yeah. So you can first of all pick a username, so let's just pick a username. So I think a create username which nobody have already taken. Okay, so let's just take a unique username which don't anyone have picked up. So let's just say let's code it bro. No, it's too long. Okay, so let's say inkbot user, yeah, it's not taken. So let's just say that our email address, it should be the real one because we're gonna have to receive an activation link. Okay, so let's just create the password. Secret 1234, or wait a minute, secret 123456. Okay, so let's just say sign up, and here you can see we have completed the setup and personal account. So you have to choose the unlimited public repositories. You can just say private repositories for $7 a month and you can just get unlimited. Okay, so if you want to get a private repository you can just do it. Okay, but I'm gonna leave it to the free repository, so you can just select those options, customizations, or you can just skip this step. I'm gonna just fill these. Okay, so let's just say I'm a student and I'm interested in web development. Okay, so let's just say web development and hit submit. The internet might be slow a bit. Okay, yes, so here you can see now we have our own account. If you see here, you don't have any repositories here, so you can just create new repository. But first we have to verify our email address. Okay, so an email verification instructions were sent to the email which we have just entered to create our new account. So just go to your Gmail or whatever your mailing address is, and let me just log in from that account. Let me just sign in for the Google Gmail. Okay, so the password, let me just enter EINS, sorry, SERCRT secret 123. Okay, so when you do it you will be able to verify your email address, and once you will verify it you can able to create unlimited public repositories if you have own uh, public, okay, public, I mean public package. Okay, so let me just, here you can see, please verify your email address, hi either the inkbot user or username. So let's just click on the verify email address. If that doesn't happen you can just copy the link and paste it. Okay, so now you can see your email was verified here, we got that message. So let's just close all these pages, and if we refresh this page it will say 404 error. Okay, so now we can just create new repository here. So we have the owner. So first of all repository will be inkbotuser.github.io. okay, and any other domains you will use, it will be and subdomain of them, which is inkbotuser.github.io. Okay, so that is, and description, which is optional. So let's just say I am recording for YouTube. Okay, so that is public here. If you choose private, you have to may set make you $7 for it. Okay, so let's just create the repository. Okay, you can add a readme to let people know what is this web page, sorry, what is this, um yeah, what is this all about. Okay, so now we have to just install a software which is called GitHub Desktop. Okay, so I have already installed it, but you can also do it for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's easy to download it. It's more less than 100 MBs. Okay, so just download and install it. Any version would be workable. Not, you don't have to worry about that, because any version will be workable with. Okay, so if you have any problems about the versions, ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help there. Okay, so now on, it's taking a bit of load. Okay, so when you come to it, you just have to log in your account that you have created on the GitHub. So let me just log in with that account. Okay, so the username or email address. Okay, so you can enter your email address instead of entering username, or you can just say your email address. Okay, so username ingbot user, password secret 1234567, whatever. Okay, I should tell you my password. Okay, so now you can see we have logged in as inkbot user. So let's just clone that repository. So clone repository, go to it, and here you can see you will get this repository. Okay, inkbot user slash inkbot user github.io. So click on that, click on the clone button at your cloning path. Okay, you can select the path wherever you want to save the files. Okay, so now we have saved that file. Now we have that repository created. Okay, so we are going to upload a page. So let's say we want any local page here. Let's just select that one. Okay, so these two files with the index and assets. Okay, so we just need to copy them. Okay, copy it, or you can just whatever, do it with your own. And then we have to paste it at the location where we have the added the path. Okay, so just left click on a repository and click on the show in folder. You do not have to do any with the .git file, just paste it right here, and then we will see all the file will be came here. Then you just need to add anything in the summary. So let's just say test, and in the description also test, and then say commit to master. So it's committed to master, and now just click on the publish branch. Okay, so now it's pushing to origin. It takes some time, so let me just come back when it's done. Okay, okay, it's just pushing to origin. Yeah, so it's fetched all the details. Last fetch just now. Here you can see. Okay, so just go to the github.com again. Here you can see that we have the repository, so you just go to your repositories, or you can select from the side repositories. Okay, so here you can see which is pure css. We have index and assets. Okay, inkbot user. Okay, so if we just open the inkbotuser.github.io, it will open that page. Okay, which we have already set it up. Okay, but if we see offline, we have that same page. Okay, so there's no need to worry because we have got the subdomain address. Okay, but we want an original address. So let's just first fix it. If you don't getting this, you're having an error, just say that the master branch would have be to the none. Okay, so let's just select it to the master branch and then save it. Okay, then wait for 2 minutes and your site will be published at that. If you are getting an error like page not found. Okay, so now we have to remove the .github.io. Okay, .github.io. So how can we do that? in my in my way, the easiest way to do it is, so let's just say we are gonna do with this one. Okay, there is no difference, but I have to do it this one, so let's just do it. Okay, so go to our website called www.dot.tk. Okay, so just select any domain like teamkishan dot no, just teamkishan. Okay, so here we got that. Get one of these domains are free. So let's just take the .tk. You can select any other ones. Okay, okay, so select any of those and then just click it, but you have to get a freenom account. Okay, so you can just register it on the freenom.com. Then you just need to enter this address which we have to forward this domain to, which is in my case this one. Okay, so after doing that, you can just select the period. Okay, I'm not showing you, but the period is for 12 months free, and after that, if you want to get more than 1 years, you have to pay for something like $1 to $2. Okay, so let's just fill your details. I'm not gonna fill them because I already did. And here you can see order confirmation. Thank you for your order. So a confirmation email will take many times to receive. Okay, it's not a thing which comes directly. I don't know why. So after doing it, you can just get your domain. In my case, I'm not showing that one because it will take some times, about 30 to 40 30 to 14 minutes. Okay, so here I have letit.cf, which is that same domain, by you can see by the logo. So here you can do it, how you can do it. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.